Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter, GoPro, CHK, and X daily weekly. So Twitter pulling back. We broke our support of 1747, but the bulls did bounce and still held that 50-day as well as that middle Bollinger Band. So it is a bullish reversal doji. We have to confirm it. We could not confirm the last bullish reversal candlestick, so we are still looking for a healthy higher low, which at any point here, if we form it, it would still be healthy. So we're looking for a break of 1765, and ideally, if we can break 1784, that will give the bulls some confidence. That was the high of the failed bounce attempt, and that would have us looking at the new low of 1735 as our higher low. So just patiently waiting for it to form, and at this point, looking pretty good off these moving averages, which have now held 3 of the last 4 days. The weekly time frame, still an inside bar to be watching next week, still 100-week resistance to be watching next week, and overall, a bit cautious, as I've been pointing out in these videos every day, so not going to give that same caution. But the daily time frame does look pretty good. Just need that follow-through. So not going to give the bulls benefit of the doubt until we see the ability to break the high of tomorrow, to confirm this candlestick. GoPro looked great for that follow-through, but a big upper wick of profit taking, and that's ugly. That is ugly for the bulls. That does not give us confidence. We closed at the low of the day at 1061. Bulls showed up out of nowhere. Tons of profit taking after about 88 cents to the upside, and we're now looking right back down at support of 1088 and 1061. So not confident that this is our higher low yet, because the bulls could not hold any of those gains, and the bears did regain some of that momentum. And the weekly time frame, just bearish reversal candlestick number 1. So we'll see if we pull back and follow through with this. So at this point, just patient. Just looking for a higher low, but not going to force anything, especially after that big upper wick. And if we do break 1061, we're looking down at 1050 psychological as the next support level. X on the daily, bearish candlestick. So this is actually very comparable to GoPro, where we had our support built at 25. We saw the bulls follow through. Okay, here we go. Now we're confident in our higher low. By the end of the day, a lot of profit taking, a big upper wick, a rejection from resistance, and now we broke that support, so following through down. So I wouldn't be surprised to see GoPro have similar action over the next couple of days, potentially breaking 1061 due to the exact same scenario that we just saw play out with X. So support on X right now, trying to bounce off the lower Bollinger Band of 2432. There's a lot of volatility in X over the last 3 months, both bullish and bearish, and right now we have to hold 2322 to keep these higher lows, and we do still have that at this point. Lower Bollinger Band helping out, but the weekly time frame needs a higher low established, and we've been holding this 200-week moving average support time and time again. That's down at 2312. The bulls want to hold a higher low above that level. CHK on the daily time frame, inside bar, bearish reaction to the natural gas inventory report, and a very bearish reaction, significant dump. So a good sign for the CHK bulls that they could hold on regardless of that. Low right now is 408 and then $4 support. Bulls want to see a break of 419 and 425. Healthy consolidation at this point, 50-day moving average resistance, and exponential support in a tightening range is what we're going to be keeping an eye on. Weekly time frame, following through with the bullish reversal candlestick, looking for a bull MAC decross, and watching to see if we can close over the exponential resistances this week, which would give indication that we could see some further upside on this bounce, keeping in mind that we are going to set a lower high and have to set a higher low and then a higher high to change this trend. We're not going to bounce all the way up to 520 from where we currently stand. So thanks for watching. We'll see you over the weekend to do a recap, and let's see if it'll be interesting to watch if GoPro follows along with a very similar scenario to X and does see a break of that 1061 support either tomorrow or Monday. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.